Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to solve this very interesting equation. If we look at the equation, the first thing we think about is to square out both sides. So the left side can be written as this, the right side is this, and then we move forward written as this one. Then the whole equation can be organized as here. But it is impossible to solve this equation manually. So how to solve this tough equation here? Today I'm going to talk about two methods. Method 1, we let a equals 5 as new variable, and then we're going to solve a, and then we replace here whatever 5 with a. This is a squared, this is 2a. So this new equation can be written as a minus x equals a squared minus 2x squared times a plus x to the fourth power. And then the equation can be organized as a squared minus 2x squared plus 1 times a plus x fourth power plus x equals 0. So we can solve a equals 2x squared plus 1 positive negative square root 2x squared plus 1 squared minus 4 times x fourth power plus x over 2. And then this equals 2x squared plus 1 positive negative. The inside can be written as 4x fourth power plus 4x squared plus 1 minus 4x fourth power minus 4x. Because this one and this one is 0, so this equals 2x squared plus 1 positive negative. Inside is 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. So here it is actually 2x minus 1 squared. So a equals 2x squared plus 1 positive negative 2x minus 1 over 2. And then we know the value of a is 5. So this equation can be organized as 2x squared plus 1 positive negative 2x minus 1 equals 10. And then we're going to separate this positive negative as two different equations. Positive is 2x squared plus 1 plus 2x minus 1 equals 10. The negative can be written as 2x squared plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 equals 10. So this one can be simplified as 2x squared plus 2x minus 10 equals 0. And then if we divide each side with 2, it is x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. And then we get x1 equals minus 1 plus square root 21 over 2. And then x2 equals minus 1 minus square root 22 over 2. And then we need to check because here 5 minus square x is greater than 0, so we need to reject x2. Now, similarly, this equation here can be simplified as x squared minus x minus 4 equals 0. So we get two roots. X3 equals 1 plus square root 17 over 2. And then x4 equals 1 minus square root 17 over 2. And then the same thing we need to check here, and we need to reject this one. So the correct answer is x1 and x4. Okay, let's see the next method. Method 2. So the original equation here can be written as x squared equals 5 minus square root 5 minus x. Then we let y equals square root 5 minus x, and then we know it is greater than 0. So this equation can be written as x squared equals 5 minus y, because y equals this part. And then if we square this both sides here, and then we can get y squared equals 5 minus x. If this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 is x squared minus y squared equals 5 minus y minus 5 minus x, which equals 5 minus y minus 5 plus x, and then equals x minus y. And then the left side here actually can be written as x plus y times x minus y. So we get this equation here. The solution to this equation is either x plus y equals 0 or x plus y equals 1. So here, if x minus 1 equals 0, then y equals x, and here y equals 1 minus x. If we go back to here, we replace y with x, and then we get x equals square root 5 minus x, or 1 minus x equals square root 5 minus x. If we square out both sides here, we get x squared equals 5 minus x, or 1 minus x squared equals 5 minus x. And then this one can be organized as x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0, or x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 5 minus x. Then this one is x squared minus x minus 4 equals 0. So we can see we get here with the same equation, and we get here with the same equation. So we know here y equals x and y is greater than 0. So y equals x is greater than 0. We know x is greater than 0. So we need to definitely reject this answer because it is negative and less than 0. Same thing. So here y equals 1 minus x is greater than 0. So x is less than 1. So we needed to reject this one because this one is greater than 1. In both methods, we get the two correct answers here, x1 and x4. Okay, thanks for watching.